Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just want to pick up my camera and do a video. But today is Sunday. I might drag this video out. Today's Sunday, July 5th. So tomorrow I have school. I think I have a quiz. I'm not sure. Most likely I do. And then I have an actual test in this class on the 13th. So yeah, I tried to study a little bit yesterday, and then yesterday I did some work for yesterday and for today, so I don't have to do nothing today. I am gonna do some for tomorrow though. I like to be ahead of my work. But anyway, so yeah, I'm supposed to be going to the city this weekend. Well, next weekend because it's Monday. But the weekend coming up, I don't know for sure, but if I do, God willing, then I guess I'm gonna just make this a vlog of me. My hair look cute. I'm gonna make a vlog of me going to the city again and vlog. I already went like weeks ago. My mother went yesterday for my cousin's little party, and I didn't know where I was gonna put my dog because she kind of wanted him out because she thought we was gonna be inside like center. So yeah, we couldn't have him there, but I was like, it's whatever, like just stay home anyways, catch up on work, do all that good stuff. I don't know what it is, but my knees be cracking. Like the hell? Don't play with me. Anyways, I just made me a coffee for the second time today. I didn't finish my first cup because it was too light and too sweet. This one right here, I like to taste the coffee, but not too much. If I just taste straight up milk and sweetness, I'm not gonna want it. I'm gonna throw it out. So that's that. But I use the s'mores Chobani. Yeah, get it. This is my first time trying it. Well, first time purchasing it, but like time trying it. But yeah, it's my first time purchasing it because every time I go to my supermarket, they never have it. And then when I would go to Target, they didn't have it either. So I would just stick to the coconut one because they actually had the coconut one. So I'm like, oh. So I went the other day to go get the coconut one, and I seen s'mores. I said, oh yeah, y'all brought it? All right, bet. So I got both of them. So yeah. Now, I was going to do like a little cleaning in this video, but I'm not sure. And then look at my dog stressing me out. I can't. I'm going to charge my camera for a little bit because it's dying. So I'll be back. I'll probably make this a nail vlog. If I don't drag the video out, I think I'm going to do a nail vlog because I did want to do my nails. I want to do duck nails, real short. And light blue and dark blue. Probably white. I don't know. But we'll see. So yeah, this will probably be a nail vlog if I don't drag it out. Probably a maintenance vlog. Who knows? Because now stuff is just coming to my head. Like, I might do my lashes and my nails in this video. We're going to see. Alright guys, this lighting might suck. I'm in my living room right now. And I'm just applying the acrylic out here because I don't want my daughter to smell it. And my light might die. I hope it doesn't. Or I could just use my flash too. Hey guys, I'm just going to try to apply this as quick as I can. And we're gonna get to the designs. I might do some charms as well. I want to be a little extra today. I don't know. And I need to take advantage, even though my nails are short right now, but I need to take advantage because pretty soon, starting next semester, I'm gonna be drawing blood and stuff in school. So I'm not gonna be able to do my nails. I can, but I'm gonna be too into that drawing the blood and stuff like that I'm not even gonna want to do my nails for real. So we're gonna be using Blossom by Valentino, and I have to prime my nails. I already dehydrated them. My light looked like it's dying already. I can't find my other ones. I had 2 other lights, but I packed all of my nail stuff, and I packed a lot of things, and it's away in a bin, so I can't even get to it right now. I already applied the tips. I didn't even show y'all that part. What the hell? I'm over here just talking like y'all know what I did. But they kind of look like duck, and then they don't. When it's longer, it look like duck because those duck tips that I put on, they were longer. I just cut them down. So sometimes it don't be, like when I cut them down, it don't be.
You enjoy your day at no, Mom? That's what I was saying.
You said what?
No, I didn't say nothing.
She's too much. I think it dries too quick when it's warm. I'm gonna fix it later.
That mommy gave me, it was a good bowl. Even though he was told that my Uncle Rob was like, he just told me that. I don't know, I'm just gonna. I'm about to go to the store.
You say you about to go?
I'm about to go to the store, but.
There's a knot to your universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain.
I couldn't even lay down.
They say it happens too when you're pregnant and you eat before you go to bed.
But
Heartburn. I'm not done because this little girl, she don't let me do nothing. But this is how it's looking right now. Yeah. I want to add white lines to it, I think. Like white designs. I put light blue lines on the darker side, but yeah. And then I started this hand. I didn't get to do the light blue because she keep touching my stuff and I had to put everything away. And I'm gonna put her down for a nap and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. Don't mind how I look, please. I'm stretching my curls out, alright? So yeah. I did these 2 days ago after I washed my hair and I just wanted more. You know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna do my lashes finally. I've been procrastinating. I don't know, I just don't like the whole process. It's kind of annoying unless I'm really in the mood for it. But I was like, you know what, let me just get up and let me do it for the video because most of my maintenance vlogs, I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna do my lashes, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Come to find out, I never do my lashes. So it turns out I am going to the city tomorrow, so for sure. So I'm gonna just get it out the way and just do my damn lashes. I might vlog in the city when I'm there in a separate vlog. So this vlog is gonna be me maintenance prep or prep with me for the city, or I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. But hopefully my glues didn't dry out because I haven't used it in a while. These are my favorite lashes because it just gives that fluffy look. So I might use these for the one time. And then I have a bunch that I didn't use yet. I don't know why. I need to start using them. These are fluffy too, but I don't think I'm gonna use them. I think these were the latest ones I got from TikTok, I think. And then I never used. These give more of too shiny, and you could tell, if that makes sense. I guess that's why I didn't do them yet. Use them yet. Then I have these that I used clearly, and are these. I just took off the label, but these are the same. Clearly, that's why I had to get it going, get a second one. So that, and then here are my glues. And hopefully, you know, where's my other tweezers to apply them? Hopefully none of them are dried out. So we're gonna be using these today. I'm not gonna do a whole tutorial on them because it already takes long to do them. So I need to find, I'm gonna just use these to apply them, these little pointy ones, and then to put them together, pinch them. I'm gonna use the pink ones. These are clusters, by the way. If you didn't know, now I don't do the real individual ones because that takes way too much time, and I don't think I could do it on myself. Probably on other people, but myself. But let's get started. I'm already like, should I do this? And then I do these and I take them off 2 days later, probably 3 days later. But I don't know, it's just something about fake stuff on me I just can't have for too long. Fake hair, lashes, the nails, even the nails I switch up. So this is the bond and the remover. I think I'm gonna add this one just because it's quick. And then the seal, I'm gonna use one of these, but this one is only the bond and the remover, so we're gonna use this. So I'm gonna show y'all two and then I'm gonna see y'all in a few. So I think I'm gonna want a more subtle type look or dramatic. I'll probably do subtle. I'll do 16 mm. These are 18, these are 16, 14, 12, 10. So we're gonna start off with 16 and I'm gonna use 2 of those on the outer corner. 14, 12, and probably 110. I don't know, we'll see. But okay, so I gotta hurry up because my daughter's sleeping. She lost my tripod, so I have to use this long tripod. She lost my tripod for my extra meals. So I should lay them out first. Too much work. I hate when the whole tape comes off with it. And then we're gonna start with those first because I don't want to confuse them. I feel like sometimes I'll be mixing up my lashes and they be coming out cute, but I just be throwing my lashes around, to be honest. Obviously, if I do it on somebody else, it's gonna be different, better. But on myself, I really don't care as long as it gives me a nice look, to be honest. So we're gonna start off with the bond, outer corner, and of course I would get it on my skin. Then you go underneath. I shouldn't be telling y'all that anyway. I'm not doing a tutorial. Alright, don't start acting stupid. This is why I don't do them either. I'm wondering if I should do another one. A third. Can we do a third one? A third 16. A third 16. Sometimes you gotta lick it. It may be nasty, but it's yourself, so it's your own saliva. But sometimes you gotta lick it because it gets stuck. 214. I like to double stack sometimes too. I don't know if I'm gonna do it though. And then we're gonna move on to 12. 12. And then probably 10, 10. My camera's dying too, so I'm gonna have to come back to y'all with the finished results. I'm trying to see, do I want to double stack? I just might, because that's what I mainly go for, double stacking. See, now I'm just gonna dry this one down, probably do another layer, and then I'll get back to y'all. Hey guys, I'm back. Yes, my hair is a mess, I know. I was gonna leave it out curly again, like wash it again and then do 2 braids and leave it curly, but I think I'm gonna just blow it out and flat iron it because I'm trying to look decent when I go to the city. I'm trying to look decent real quick. So yeah, I know I look crazy right now, but I did my toes too over. I did blue on the little toes, this light blue, and then on the big toe I'm gonna do this design so I can match. I didn't get to do the big toe yet because my daughter kept cheating me every second, so I had to pause real quick. But I'm about to shower and then wash my hair in the shower, and then when my hair's real dried already, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Oh, but this is the lashes. I didn't even show y'all. So let me tell you what happened. This one, it was a little baby hair sticking out from one of the long ones into my eye, and I just kept trying to figure out where the hell is this hair at? Where's the hair at? I'd be feeling when hairs in your eye. That shit hurt. So not really hurt, but it really itches. And I just kept rubbing my eye. I'm like, bro, where is this hair? And then I finally seen it, and I took a little skinny tweezers, and then I just pulled it out because, babe, that hurts. But I'm gonna come back to you. I'm gonna charge my camera for a little bit, and I think it's already charged actually, but I'm gonna get back to y'all. I just wanted to show you my natural curls real quick. Stop playing with me, please. No product. Fresh out the shower. My curls are getting way better. It feels so good and juicy and fat. But when I feel it like this, I'll be feeling not blowing it out. I don't be wanting to blow it out, but I don't know, guys. I kind of want to blow it out, but then I don't. And then you see how there's good curls and then there's frizzy. I don't like that. So I don't know what y'all think. I think it's because I used the clarifying shampoo too. It made my curls pop more, but these frizzy parts, I don't like it. So I just might blow it out. I don't know. I'm gonna just blow it out. I'll be back. Hey guys, I blew out my hair. My hair is definitely growing. I do want to cut the ends though. You see that see-through? Yeah. Yeah. When it's see-through, you have to cut it off, okay? I hate when people try to keep holding on to the length like babes. Your hair ain't healthy. And mine clearly ain't either. So I gotta cut the ends. I'm not gonna do it in this video, but I do have to cut them soon. And I also want to dye my hair black again, like re-dye it. But I have to look for the flat iron now. I don't even know where it's at. I'm tired. I think I'm gonna just start editing some of this video right now, and then yeah. But my hair was the last thing. I did my toes. My hair was the last thing to be done, and I have to flat iron it. But I don't know if I'm gonna end this video here. I should flat iron it and then end it because it wouldn't really be a maintenance prep, you know. Ooh, I have to dry the middle more. It's like right here, the back of my head feels dry, like my hair texture. And it's always the crown area. I hate it. So annoying. But I should have been napping with my daughter, because right now I'm tired, and I know once I try to lay down, she's gonna get up. So yeah, but I'm gonna come back when I start flat ironing my hair, if I can find it. Alright guys, so I did my hair already. I flat ironed it. I need to cut it. I wanted a pixie cut, but I know I'm gonna regret it and miss my hair. But this is my hair. It has split ends a little, so I have to cut those. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today though, because I want them good shears that I used to have in beauty school, in cosmetology school. I need those. I need those back. And I also peeped how my real hair is growing out. My natural color hair is growing out, because I dyed my hair black a few months ago. I don't remember when, but I feel like I just did it not too long ago, and I see like a significant amount already that's my natural hair color, which is crazy. You can't really see it now obviously, but when I was flat ironing my hair, yo, you could definitely see it. And I don't know if the sun is gonna be able to pick it up. You could see some of it. Nevaeh, leave it. You could see some of it. But guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I don't be knowing how I like my hair sometimes. I used to like it to the side part, but as I got older, maybe I should leave it to the middle. I don't know. Yeah guys, this is my hair. So I'm leaving today, so I'm gonna start vlogging when I get in the car. It's a 4-hour drive, so this girl loves playing with my stuff. But I'm gonna see you in the next video.